Looking forward to your future with endless possibilities here. A 3-bedroom low-set brick home with the possibility of making it 4 bedrooms. Welcome to number 24 Windemere Road. Location is superb, with the private Catholic school, state school, high school and the kindergarten all in walking distance. Elevated position, capturing those cool bay breezes. You've got your mango tree, you've got room to kick a ball, dual side access, so you can bring the boat, the caravan, the trailer. It's a blank canvas just waiting for you.